The Elves and the Shoemaker. The shoemaker with his wife lived in a workshop and worked hard to make shoes, but was poor due to lack of leather.
This might be the last chance to work on the shoe. I will sew the best shoe with this leather.
He cut out the leather and then left it on the workbench. He thought of making shoes in the morning.
Oh dear, I shall make the shoes tomorrow. I am very tired right now.
Sure, dear. Keep it on the table safely.
Next morning,
See you, dear. Today is my last day in the workshop. It's all going to be over soon.
Don't worry, dear. We will come out of this soon.
Shoemaker and his wife were amazed to see a nicely finished shoes on his workbench.
I have never seen such a well-finished pair of shoes.
Really? It is amazing. But how is it possible? I didn't make the shoes yesterday.
Customers enters in a shop. Wow, what a lovely shoes it is. Can I try it?
Yes, of course, sir.
This shoes fits me so well. I want to buy this shoe. I will pay more than the actual amount for this shoe.
Thank you, God. Now I will purchase enough leather to produce 2 additional pair with the money.
He worked early that night to complete a task and received a payment from customers. He then went to purchase additional pairs of shoes to make 4 additional pairs and realized it was completed in the morning.
Oh, what stunning shoes! Some stranger is helping me with pure intention. If this keeps going on, I will never run out of money.
During Christmas time, the shoemaker and his wife were conversing over the fire.
I should like to sit up and watch tonight so that we may see who is it that comes and performs my work for me.
It was a good idea.
They lit a candle, crept into a room's corner, and crouched behind a curtain to observe what would happen. It was midnight. There came 2 elves.
Let's start the work.
Yeah, sure.
The elves at the table created the shoes by cutting, sewing, coloring, and decorating them one by one, allowing them to escape the window and disappear.
It was a miracle. But who were they?
They were elves. These teeny elves have made us wealthy, and we need to be thankful to them and do them a nice turn if we can.
But we have nothing on their backs to protect against the cold. I feel awful seeing them rush around in such an unpleasant manner.
You make each of them a small pair of shoes, and I will make them each a shirt, jacket, hat, and pair of pants.
What a fantastic idea! I will sew new shoes for them.
They both worked on elves' gifts. After a week, when everything was prepared, they placed them on the bench. When the 2 elves entered, they climbed up onto the workbench.
Hey, look at this.
What is this?
These are small clothes and shoes of leather for us.
These are very beautiful clothes. I am very happy today.
They were as cheerful as they could be as they danced and jumped around. The shoemaker and his wife never saw them again. But everything went well with them from that time forward, as long as they lived.